Hey guys, so one of the more interesting additions into Ubuntu 16.04 is the initial implementation of Snappy packages. So Snappy packages and the Snappy package manager effectively allow you to have a base level running operating system and then to install newer packages on top of that without risking the stability of the initial operating system. Something which I feel is a long time coming, and I'm very excited to see this get rolled out in its full capacity. But today I am just going to be demonstrating the basics, and what you'll need for this is a version of Ubuntu 16.04 or later, and of course the terminal window. Okay, so Snappy as a program, or the Snap program, is actually rather easy to use. So you can use it from the terminal, and you can show the help screen just by going snap -- help. And this little help screen here just shows you all the commands that you can run through Snap. So what you can do, for example, is type snap and then list to show all the current installed Ubuntu Snappy packages. And as you can see here, Ubuntu Core is the only one that's currently being installed. Okay, so what you can do now is you can type snap find, and it'll throw up a list of the available packages that we can install. So you might want to open up your window a bit fuller to get the sort of maximize the window to get all the descriptions in there. But today, just for the sake of demonstration, I am going to be installing a copy of the text web browser links. So you can see that it's listed right up there. So it's very easy to do, and you have to do it as root. So you type in sudo snap install, so it's quite intuitive in that department, and then just type in links, the name of the package that you wish to install. So you then type in your sudo password, and then it installs. Simple as that. And then you now have an additionally installed Snappy package onto your system, and then you can just type in the name of the program. I'm just going to links into google.com just to demonstrate it. Welcome to links. There you go. That is our newly installed Snappy package. Excellent. And then you can simply remove the package by typing sudo snap remove links. And there you go. And then snap list. You're back to exactly where you started with no difference to your system stability. So as you can see, this works very similar to the apt-get package manager that we're used to from the command line in Ubuntu. It works effectively the same way as that, but it just offers a little bit more stability and security in regards to our package management, and hopefully a lot more third-party packages will be added to the package list there. But I, for one, am very, very, very excited about this, because it should mean that we can install a long-term support release of Ubuntu, and then when we have those individual packages that we need just to be up to date, for me it's video editing, but for other people it's going to be other things, you can just pull down a Snappy package and get the latest version while still having the stability of a long-term support release. The sacrifice is that it does take up more disk space, so that's a little bit longer downloading, a little bit longer installing. But nowadays disk space is pretty cheap, and I would opt for the stability option over the lesser disk space option. You can, of course, install most of these packages, specifically links, you can install directly from the Ubuntu repositories, but you also now have the option of installing it completely as a Snappy package through this way, and then you can do that with any other package. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been has gone some way to explaining how the Snap program works in installing, listing and removing your Snappy packages. Thank you very much for watching. That's about it from me today. Until next time, I've been Chris Ware, and you've been awesome. Take care now.